Exercise 43. Equation of a straight line through a graph. Which of the following could be an equation for the graph shown in the xy plane? Okay, so since all of the suggested answers A, B, C, and D are written in the slope-intercept form, in the form mx plus c, this, as we know, is the y-intercept. But we can also see from the given graph that the y-intercept is 3, which means that we are definitely between A and C, and B and D should be rejected. With regards to choosing either A or C, we need to find the slope. Slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. For that, we would need 2 points. Here they are. It's one with coordinates 4, 6, and the other one is the one used already with coordinates 0 and 3. By applying the formula, we get 6 minus 3 over 4 minus 0. That is equal to 3/4. So obviously it should be A. Y is 3/4 x plus 3.